Okay, it's Donna from PTM, and I'm here with Don, who is the manager over our CNC department. We're super stoked. We have this brand new pit being installed right now for new technology. Don, tell us about that new technology.
So it's a 5-axis milling machine, continuous 5-axis machining, and it's really going to open up a lot of new ventures for us because we can offer more people more things. We're going to be able to offer them a better product on already what we're working on, but it's allowing us to go in places we haven't gone before. And that's what we're most excited about, because now we're going to bring more opportunities here, put more people to work. It's awesome.
Yeah, so we're going to be able to expand into the aerospace. We're going to be able to expand our fixturing offerings and our tooling. So we're super excited about it. Glad to have you on this journey as our little company, our little big company by the lake is expanding and getting a new 5-axis CNC. Right there, Don.
Right there. It's very exciting.